Princess Anne appears to have thwarted the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's ambitions to reunite the royal family on their terms. According to sources, Meghan Markle, who departed the British monarchy in 2020, was intending to sue the royal family to reclaim her position and rights as a royal. Princess Anne, on the other hand, has put a halt to these ambitions by refusing to endorse such initiatives. In this video, we will look at how Princess Anne's refusal affects the Sussexes' future relationship with the royal family, and what it implies for their relationship in the future. It looks like Meghan Markle's dream of reclaiming her royal title are royally crushed. Greetings everyone, we hope you liked today's video of Royal Stories, in which we'll talk about how Princess Anne thwarts Meghan's legal plot to reunite royal family on Sussex terms. But before we dive into that, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. There's no room in Princess Anne's schedule for Meghan Markle's pranks. According to a new story, Princess Royal is claimed to be unimpressed by the recent legal action taken by the Duchess of Sussex against the British press. The action was taken against the British press. According to reports in The Sun, Anne doesn't see what all the fuss is about and believes that Meghan is being overly sensitive. A person who's close to the princess has been quoted as saying that she considers the constant scrutiny from the media to be part and parcel of royal life and something that one must simply live with. The opinions held by Anne are opposed by those held by her sister, Princess Margaret, who was a close friend of Doria Ragland, Meghan's mother. It's said that Margaret was successful in convincing Anne to invite Meghan and Harry to visit Balmoral the previous year. While there, it's said that the three of them connected over their mutual love of dogs. It would appear that Anne's opinion of Meghan has evolved since the time since it is reported that she does not find the Duchess' recent legal action against the British press to be impressive. It's like a switch flipping from green to red. Before there was admiration, now there's disagreement. In a recent interview, Princess Anne disclosed that her niece and nephew-in-law, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, had been hatching a plan to bring the royal family back together on their terms. This plan involved reuniting the royal family with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and claims that the royal couple had been collaborating with a legal professional on the creation of a legal document that would have given them the authority to go around the Queen and her advisors. Thankfully, Anne was able to talk some sense into her cousin, the Sussexes, and persuaded them to scrap their scheme. She also cautioned them that if they persisted in this course of action, it would only result in additional strife among the royal family. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex's legal scheme was an ill-conceived attempt to wrestle the authority of the royal family, and it failed miserably. It's a blessing that Princess Anne was able to dissuade them from following through with their plan and save any further harm to the already precarious relationship that exists between the Sussexes and the royal family. Moral of the story: don't mess with the Queen, or Aunt Anne for that matter. If the Sussexes had carried out their plan, it would have backfired horribly. The public would have interpreted this as a power grab, and the monarchy would have been thrown into disarray. It would have been a total disaster. So perhaps it's a good thing that the Sussexes didn't get their way. It would have been a royal mess. It would appear that not everyone is on board with the idea for the Duke and Duchess of Sussex to continue living their lives apart from the rest of the royal family. Reportedly, Princess Anne is one member of the royal family who's not very enthusiastic about Meghan and Harry's decision to cut ties with the monarchy. Anne doesn't comprehend why her niece and nephew are so determined to carve out their own path, according to people close to the royal family, and she doesn't grasp why they're so determined. The insider went on to say that even while Anne has sympathy for some of the challenges they've encountered, she does not believe that leaving the royal family is the solution to any of their problems. Since the Sussexes revealed their intentions to step aside from their major duties a year ago, it's no secret that the tensions have been running high between the rest of the royal family and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex ever since they made their announcement. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and tell us what you think of Meg's plan. Thank you for watching, and we're looking forward to catching up with you in the next video.